Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to add mail account on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max. For that, just open settings, then tap on apps. From this app list, just open the mail app, then tap on mail accounts. Now from here, just select add account. On this page, just tap on choose from a list. And from here, just select your email service provider. If your email is from Yahoo or Outlook, just select Yahoo or Outlook. Since I want to sign into my Gmail account, just tap on Google. Select Open Browser. Now, if you want to create an account, just tap on Create Account. But if you want to log into your existing account, just enter your Gmail account in this section. After you enter your Gmail address, then tap on Next. Now in this section, just enter the password of your email address. After you enter the password of your Gmail address, then tap on Next. Select Continue. And from here, just enable the toggle for the services which you want to enable for your Gmail account. For now, I will only enable the mail service. Then tap on Save. Now, as you can see, we have successfully signed into our mail account. Just like that. And this is how you can add your mail account on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.